Hello, I'm Mr. Rahul and today I'm going to talk about the Ford EcoSport. Ford India that launched the much anticipated EcoSport compact SUV on July 25th has now recalled the diesel version of the car to relocate the glow plug module. Ford has been contacting all the customers who brought the EcoSport diesel to fix the problem, which will be done free of cost. The EcoSport has launched in the different engine option 1.5 litre diesel, 1.5 litre petrol and 1.0 litre EcoBoost petrol. The base 4 EcoSport diesel variant costs Rs 6.69 lakh in ex-showroom Delhi. One of the leading car makers in the lucrative Indian car market is Ford India. This highly reputed automotive manufacturer is said to be presently on 6th position in the car market. This acclaimed automobile manufacturer has its head office in metropolis of Chennai, which is in southern state of the Tamil Nadu. This company is an Indian subsidiary of multinational automobile maker Ford Motor Company, which is located in America. The passengers car made by the company and renowned across global in all market for being incorrupted with performance-packed fuel efficiency engine, which are dependable and equipped with impressive aspects. Their estimated fleet in the country market is splendid and has several automobiles which are doing splendid business for the company. Ford India is said is to be adding new addition in the splendid fleet of vehicles with new entrants being expected to enter the Indian car market very soon. There are reports which state that the impressive and increasingly become popular Ford EcoSport, which is an SUV. This SUV has a sleek and luxurious body line along with some other striking exterior features which all certainly entice the customer. This interior is extremely comfortable. This upcoming Ford EcoSport SUV has a new styling and design element and a roomy inside, which offers ample space to the passenger. The company is expected to finish this SUV with the best in the class features. Some of these advanced features might be rear parking sensor with a visual display that help in simpler parking of this SUV. A powerful air conditioner unit that cools the entire cabin efficiently within no time. A sophisticated audio system with speakers and remote control along with another input options such as USB interface and an aux-in interface as well. This audio unit also has a Bluetooth connectivity that makes it easier for the buyers to pair their phone with the music system and have hands-free operation of the mobile phone. The multifunctional steering wheel have been equipped with the mounted audio and phone button, which further add to the practicality of this SUV. Apart from all these, the company has also equipped this upcoming Ford EcoSport SUV with several other gadgets as well. The company is offering this SUV with a petrol and a diesel engine option for the customer to choose from. The petrol is expected to be 1.0 litre turbocharged EcoBoost engine. The diesel option is said to be 1.5 litre Duratorq mill, which has a common rate injection fuel supply system for the better fuel efficiency. The petrol engine will be apparently offered in two options. One of them is said to be 5-speed manual transmission variant and the other is 6-speed power shift automatic transmission gearbox based engine. This impressive diesel engine based Ford EcoSport trim is said to be equipped with a standard manual gearbox transmission, but there might be an option of an automatic gearbox transmission with a power shift dual clutch launch later. Apart from this impressive engine option and the luxurious comfort aspect, the company is expected to be also incorporate some top-of-the-line safety features as well in incredible SUV. Some of them are highly developed anti-lock braking system along with an electronic brake force distribution system, a sophisticated central locking system with keyless entry and engines immobilized along with an alarm system to avoid any unwanted intrusion. Then the company has also equipped these upcoming SUV with the state first and reliable suspension mechanism, along with a proficient braking system for the security of the passenger and the vehicle as well. All these many more such features incorporated in this upcoming SUV is making it one of the most eagerly anticipated vehicle in the market. This is the Ford EcoSport mileage. The fuel efficiency of the EcoSport is good, especially that of the diesel. It retains about 14 to 15 km per liter, just like the Fiesta. There are no confirmed reports pertaining to the mileage of this upcoming SUV as of now. The petrol engine of the Ford EcoSport is expected to be fitted with a proficient fuel supply system, which will be enhance the fuel efficiency of this SUV. Apparently, the company claims that the mileage of this stylish SUV will be in the range of 20 km per liter. When driver understands the condition, on the other hand, there are no information whatsoever on the mileage and fuel. But looking at the present trend, all the diesel engines are generating impressive mileage. This is the power of Ford EcoSport. The most powerful engine on offer is the EcoSport, and it does feel like a 120 bhp engine, and the figure are for real. This upcoming Ford EcoSport SUV is expected to be introduced with a power pack 1.0 liter EcoBoost petrol engine, which will also be turbocharged for enhancing its performance. This petrol make is said to be housed with a 3-cylinder and will be coming with two options, a manual as well as automatic transmission variant, and will have efficient fuel supply system. This petrol engine is said to be churning out an incredible 122.5 bhp output in 1500 rpm. This petrol engine will also equip it with a dual VVT variable value timing to further enhance the argument, its mileage and performance, along with making it patiently for the Indian road and traffic condition. On the other hand, the diesel version will be equipped with the performance pack 1.5 Duraturn engine, which will have a highly acclaimed Commodore injection-based fuel supply system. The diesel will be expected to produce about 90 bhp of power, along with an anticipated 204 Nm of hammering torque output at 2000 to 2750 rpm, which is quite good. This impressive diesel mill is said to be cleverly mated with standard 5-speed manual transmission gearbox as well. There is the color of Ford EcoSport. Color available with all variants of Ford EcoSport. The first one is Moon Dust Silver, the second one is Sea Grey, third is Kinetic Blue, fourth is Panther Black, and fifth is Diamond White, and sixth is Mars Red, and seventh is Chill. There is the acceleration and the pickup of Ford EcoSport. The acceleration produced by the EcoSport is good, and we like the way the EcoBoost engine performs. The petrol engines come cleverly coupled with a manual as well as an automatic transmission gearbox, which help in the acceleration as well as better pickup of these SUV. The 1.0 liter EcoBoost petrol wheel has the ability to generate maximum torque of 170 Nm in combination with the peak power that aids the SUV to reach the formidable top speed, which is a rather thrilling, whereas the diesel engine also produces ample power and torque yield of about said to be able to attain the exciting top speed, which is very impressive for the vehicle of this size and stature. The actual top speed figures as well as the time taken to reach from 0 to 100 km per hour by this petrol and diesel based engine will announce very shortly. This is the Ford EcoSport exterior, the outside of the impressive SUV. Ford EcoSport are very stylish and require a number of striking aspects all over. The designers of the company seem to have done a flawless job with the overall structure of this SUV and have left no stone unturned to make it a stunner. This frontage of this SUV is immaculate with a wide radiator grille, which also has a thick chrome strip and some other chrome element as well. The grille is affixed with a prominent Ford insignia in the center. This radiator grille is flanked by a large headlight cluster which have been powered with a high intensity halogen lights and side tail blinkers as well. The body color foam bumpers has a broad air dam which aids quicker cooling of the engine. This air dam is surrounded by the pair of bright round shaped fog lamps which add to a visibility of the driver. The front windscreen has been laid up tough laminated glass which have been equipped with a pair of intermittent wipers. The side profile is smooth and mysterious with body color, pull type, door handles and exterior rear view mirror, which have been integrated with a side turn indicator on its outer tip. The wheel arches have bestowed with a sturdy yet lightweight alloy wheels, which have been further covered with a steadfast tubeless radiator tires, which can take any terrain in the country. The rear elegance large windscreen, which has a rear wash and wipe function along with a defogger, which has the driver in adverse weather condition. Then there is a bright tail light cluster, which has a radiant light and a regular badging to the company. This upcoming Ford EcoSport also has a rear spoiler, which is making it look sportier, and it also has a high mounted stop lamp as well. The rear bumper gets a pair of reflectors which aids a safety question and also dual exhaust pipes that make this SUV look masculine and rugged. The roof has been fitted with a couple of styled roof rails which adds to elegance of this upcoming Ford Kuga, and there is also antenna which is fitted over the roof to top it on. It seems this SUV will also get body color, side skirts as well as scuff plates, which will add to the elegance of the upcoming SUV, which will shortly make it grand entry in the Indian car market. Here is the exterior measurement. The overall dimension of the upcoming Ford EcoSport SUV are lightweight and gives the passenger ample legroom along with the at the head and shoulder space. The total length of this SUV is below 4 meters along with a comfortable overall width as well. The total height of the Ford EcoSport is rather good, and it also has been unbeatable ground clearance of 200 mm, and it can seat 5 passengers without any difficulty. This SUV has an approach angle and impressive 35 degrees along with a good lecture angle of 35 degrees. The upcoming Ford EcoSport has a big over angle about 35 degrees, which makes it an apt SUV for off-road activities as well. Then this impressive yet to be launched SUV has a 550 mm of water valley height, which helps this SUV to glide easily off any swallow water areas on the road. There is the Ford EcoSport interior. The interior styling of the EcoSport is similar to the Fiesta, with a cockpit-like design. This yet to be launched Ford EcoSport SUV has been giving refreshing and plus inside. Most of the aspects of the inside are said to be taken from the interior design that is prevalent in the Ford Fiesta sedan. The seating arrangement is very comfortable with the plus seats that is covered with a premium upholstery. The silver and black combination dashboard has a smoother surface and is made up of high quality material. The dashboard and many other gadgets and a brilliant instrument cluster as well, which is very important. The upper cool ice blue back light illumination in the analog dials and other meters of the cluster are captivating. This SUV has an adjustable driver seat, so it can be adjusted in accordance to the requirement of the driver and gives an elevated driving position, which gives a good view of the outside. There are quite a few storage spaces inside this SUV, which will be very good. Utility value to all passengers. There are border and a cup holder along with the driver and the front co-passenger sun visor, which might also have a vanity mirror integrated in it. Then there is a large glove box which helps in storing quite a few handy things in it. This compact SUV will also features a powerful air conditioning unit with header that is expected to cool the entire cabin space within a very short span of time. The multifunctional power steering wheel is anticipated to be covered in leather and will also have mounting controls for the audio system as well as for the Bluetooth Play phone as well. Then there is expected to be brilliant multifunctional driver information system, a tachometer, all four power windows for added comfort to all the passengers, seats belts for the occupants. Then this compact upcoming SUV is also expected to be equipped to the front and the rear armrest, which might also have a holder along with to be equipped with front along with some storage space as well as and many other such functions and aspects. The external wing mirrors are expected to be internally adjustable, and there will be also be an internal anti-glare rear view mirror as well. It might be possible in EcoSport that the rear seat can be folded to increase the boot space. The cabin is expected to be calm and soundproof, so the diesel engine sound is not here inside at all. There is the interior comfort of the Ford EcoSport. The company is expected to below this Ford EcoSport SUV with some very particle and much required comfort as expected, which will give a lot of comfort to all the passengers. The inventory of these comfort features includes a powerful and efficient air conditioning unit with a header, responsible for the cooling the entire cabin, quickly power windows, electric remote, boot lid opener, and the adjustable tilt power steering that is very responsible and helps in the maneuvering the city roads very easily. Plus, the company is also expected to add a remote fuel lid opener besides an anti-brake wiper for the front windscreen that works in coordination with intermittent wipers. This upcoming Ford EcoSport SUV is also expected to come fitted with a powerful music system with a CD player and several input options such as a USB port and aux in addition to FM radio speakers and Bluetooth connectivity that gives a whole lot of varied options to the occupants. On the top of all these, the driver's seats get to the adjustable tab, the external rear view mirror get to the electrically adaptable, and the front wipers. This upcoming Ford EcoSport SUV is also expected to come fitted with a powerful music system with a CD player and several input options such as USB port and aux in addition to FM radio speakers and Bluetooth connectivity that gives a whole lot of very options to the occupants. On the top of all these, the driver seats get to the adjustable tab, the external rear view mirror, get to the electrical adaptable, and the front wipers get to the variable intermittent nature. Then there is a day and night inside rear view mirror and the front power point of 12V for changes mobile and other equipment. These upcoming compact SUV also get a couple of cup holder attached to the front center console beside for label grab handle with the coat hooks. Above both the rear doors, the door trim fabric inserts will are expected to be accompanied by the vibrant coral IP and deluxe low console. The central console and the instrument cluster have quite a number of warning and notification lamps to keep the driver updated with the vital statistics of this vehicle. Some of these notifications are expected to be a combination of a digital odometer and a trip meter, which helps the driver in keeping track of the distance traveled and of the distance that can be further covered before the fuel tank gets empty, so as to keep the driver updated about refueling a low fuel warning lamp and the chin if the headlamp is left turned on after switching off the ignition in addition to a few more similar useful notifications. Apart from all these, there are a few other storage spaces to help the passenger keep a few important things handy for whenever they need them. This is the interior measurement. The amazing and captivating Ford EcoSport is a premium, compact sport utility vehicle, and the company is said to have blessed it with a lot of space inside. The interior of this vehicle are lavish and plus seats, which provide good leg room along with an ample head and shoulder space to all the occupants. This roomy sporty utility vehicle can take in a 5 passenger with an ace and give them a very relaxing and luxurious driving experience. These comfortable seats also have a lumbar support which makes the driving experience extremely pleasurable. The front and the rear knee room is also adequate along with ample elbow room for all the passengers as well. This is the Ford EcoSport engine and performance. The engine and performance of EcoSport, EcoBoost and the other two engines is good. The EcoBoost definitely having an edge in performance. The yet to be launched Ford EcoSport SUV is said to be making foray with a both petrol and diesel engine option. The petrol engine will have a manual as well as automatic transmission variant, which will come with a 1.0 liter EcoBoost petrol engine that will be equipped with a 3-cylinder. The direct injection fuel supply system based turbocharged petrol engine is downsized to generate healthy mileage in the range of about 20 km, which will entice the. This engine is expected to churn out 122.5 bhp and 170 Nm of maximum torque at just 1500 rpm. The diesel option is expected to be the 1.5 liter Durotop mill, which is said to be taken on the prevalent Ford Fiesta diesel sedan variant, but is said to have a different calibration. This diesel motor is said to generate about 90 bhp and is skillfully coupled with a 5-speed manual transmission gearbox. This is the stereo and accessories of Ford EcoSport. The EcoSport is loaded with several bodies and not just much heavy like SYNC is something absolutely new to the Indian market. The company is said to equip this yet to be launched compact SUV with a sophisticated audio system with the speakers and remote control along with other input options such as USB interface and an AUX interface as well. This audio unit also has Bluetooth connectivity that makes it easier for the buyers to pair their phones with the music system and have a hand-free operation of mobile phone. The multifunctional steering wheel have been equipped with a mounted audio and phone buttons, which further adds to the particularity of this SUV. This is the wheel of Ford EcoSport. The company is expected to equip the pronounced and neatly curved out wheel arches of this stylish and charming SUV. Ford EcoSport with a classy set of lightweight alloy wheels of 16 inches. This modest set of gleaming alloy rims are further equipped with a sturdy tubeless radial hatch, which have a superior grip on the road and makes the driving experience comfortable. Apart from this, the company has also fitted a full size of spare wheel on the tailgate of this SUV, which might be a standard feature across all the variants that are being launched in the country. This is the braking and handling of Ford EcoSport. The safety features on the EcoSport is as good as a 6 airbag, which no other SUV in this segment offer. The list of the safety features that anticipated to be fitted in the SUV consists of quite a number of varied aspects. The inventory might comprise of a dual front airbag for added protection of the front passenger and side curtain bag as well. Then this SUV might also get an ESP electronic stability program, rear parking sensor for making for parking simpler, a hill launch assist, ABS, anti-lock braking system along with ABD electronic brake electronic bed for distribution, and seat belts for all the passengers as well. Apart from all these, this SUV might also get front and rear for lamps, side moldings, and a lot of other such aspects as well. This is the handling and safety of Ford EcoSport. Ford are known for the handling, and the EcoSport is no different. The chassis is flexible and does drive well on bad road and even on beds. This upcoming Ford EcoSport SUV is being expected to come equipped with a powerful braking system along with a robust system. The front wheel of this impressive compact SUV are said to be incorporated a wind disc which help to proficient braking, while the rear wheels might get a drum-based braking mechanism that perform quite well in road condition. The front axle of this SUV might be fitted an independent McPherson strut type of mechanism with dual path mounts where the rear axle might get a semi-independent twist brake along with a coil spring for in-hand comfort for the rear passenger. Both these systems put together ensure that the passenger as well as the SUV are stable and well balanced. So this is the full specification review of Ford EcoSport. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe and please like it.